Let everything blend up together. Today I'm cooking one of my favorite food, corn pork. Got my knife sharpened. Got some green bananas. Someone gave me a piece of dasheen. It's not a lot of dasheen though. Some onion, tomatoes, scallion, some pepper. And this good corn pork. Well, I have some in the water already, so I'm just gonna add these to it. Let them soak up for a while. Some more. Sunny day. Corn pork day. I'll let that stay there for a while. Then I'm gonna boil it like 2 times. Chopping board right there, wash it down. Get ready for work. Yeah, dasheen. I have a nice piece of yam. I don't even know what kind of yam is, but I know I have a nice piece of yam. So that. I have some more yam too. Put in there. Yes. Yeah, man. Somewhere I'm worried about food me cooking. What is this? So like cocoa. I need that. What is this? It's a yam. It's a different kind of yam, like soft yam. No matter what kind of yam it be, everybody I get cook. Right, so that man did it right on that day. So flour there, alright, flour there. Everything there. That way I did it right now. First thing first though, we'll boil this one a few times. So we'll boil this one. And then start with the recipe. So the corn pork is boiling now. I'm just gonna cover that like chop water. Yeah. Let it stay. In the meantime, that boil, I'm gonna deal with the food. Get some water up to boiling temperature. Peel up them food there, get them started out. In Jamaica, anything goes. The banana here, we'll put in some water. Later, then really stain your hand and everything. Yum. Oh, yum, pretty man. Very nice. Yeah. Sometimes continue to peel the skin. Yes. Don't want it to get like dark color. Because if you peel the food and put it in like pasta, it's going to have a dark color, you know? Put this right there. Like that. So you don't put in the yam too long. Some part that thing like to spoil. See what I want to do? Inside not too bad. One thing most time I can't feel them more than saying because sometimes I always cut it deep and I cut off all of the food. Yeah, but it's missing some hockey right now. Not too bad, you know, the hockey time now. Let's see what we have here. I don't even know what kind I am, it's just not say I am. Seems like they're the same thing. Same kind of yam. Alright. Now I'll put this down. I'll keep this. That's the last piece I got before, so just gonna peel this piece. You get them things at Jamaica, you're good. Now for going away. Just want to steal and cook them food and nice. Just feel everything just feel airy. Them really authentic food, right? Nothing can replace them. Just have a different taste. If they have some coal or something, or a wood fire or something, just put it on the pot outside. On it. Piece good and piece have something on it. Piece still good, so. But not water. Like that. Sometimes, no matter how good they be, there's gonna be some little fragments of dirt on the skin of the yam, but that good, wash it off. Them thing our grandparents eat every day in their life, and breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's why they live so long. We eat all this bag of junk food and all them things. Although every food of them is too much I want, you know, good. Yeah, every food of Jamaica just hit the spot different. Peel the other one. This piece here, I'm going to this as well. So can I have this? Okay. Oh. Okay, that part is good. I had these from like last week, so that's why maybe they had some little thingy on them. But once you cut those off, it's still good. This looks like soft yam. Yeah, I know this is a soft yam. Yeah, these are the white soft yam. It's nice, you know. It's gonna be good with them corn pork. Lots of stuff. Something like that. It's good. Most people don't keep banana in my cookie, but me, I'm not a banana salad. Just cut banana like someone hold the knife up and just put it back like that. Easy as that. When come off, when you done put down the thing there already, you done put down the cooking oil in the water, so it's not gonna stay, man. The only thing we need to do is just make sure we have a container with some water inside, which I'm going to do, so that it because if it even tend to get dark color if we leave outside for too long. Let's get some water in this container right here. Put the banana inside. Alright, so that's it for the bananas. I don't need to make the dumplings now. Clean the sink up. Alright, water ready for the food now. Alright, whoa. Put that right this one. So then go inside now. You can go and make the dumplings, because dumplings will take easier time to cook than ever. Bananas inside. Alright, cover that now. Inside, let's see what I'm going to corn pork. Yeah, corn pork nice and boil this up. Just test it. See exactly what I'm going with it. See how far along I'll boil this about 2 times. See, the skin's still a bit hard. I'm going to boil that next time, probably like the next 20 minutes or so. And then you drop it down the one. Right away. I'm gonna put same speed. Banana, everything in here, yam, dumpling. Alright, closing down now. That's the time to pour up water, you know. Boil it again. Tired. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for a while. About a week now I'm inside it. Still can get stuff off of it. It's so good. This looks like not bad. Still good. Strip off the water there. These and just put them aside. Allspice dairy inside, you know. Corn pork is boiling for the second time. So after that's boiled, cut it up and fry it. It's full. Those are cooking. Sail. I'm just gonna clean these up and then you want the food pot now. Right, that's all. Long time I make dumplings, probably about 2 years almost. Going at 3 years now to make some dumplings, so yeah, them soon cook. But them banana like them too fit. So the sauce, the white sauce, them, nice, man. That's she cook as it. Cover that. Finish now. It's finished. Turn off this. That's it. We boiled up some. Cut this into smaller pieces first. Fuck. This is very nice. Very nice. fry these up. You have it. It's boiled corn pork. With allspice berry in the oil. Give it some flavor. The oil is perfect. I'm gonna cover it, I don't want it to break. And let the magic happen. I always put some vegan inside. Meat just makes it taste better. And cover it back. Oh, that's happy now. On pork. That smells very good. Give it 5 minutes on a low heat. No, that's what I'm talking about.